Hello, everyone. I'm Asma. Welcome to Shadowing with English Tricense. I know that feeling. You've been studying English for years. 3 years, 4 years, maybe even 5 years. You understand grammar. You know many words. You can read emails easily. But the moment a meeting starts in English, your heart beats faster. Your mind goes blank. You stop talking, you become silent. Everyone else is speaking, and you just sit there, nervous. Do you feel that? Do you know exactly what you want to say, but you just can't say it? That's why we need the shadowing method. No complicated rules, no boring grammar, just trading your speaking reflexes. Before you try advanced business English, you need confidence in simple, real situations. Sound easy, right? But in real meetings, you freeze up. You start translating in your head. You search for words. You panic. Let me tell you a secret. All those difficult words you memorized, they don't help you in meetings. Why? Because native speakers use simple language, short phrases, clear expressions, and that's exactly what we will practice here. Here is the method. Just copy and repeat. Hear a sentence, say a sentence. That's all. With regular practice, you will speak more naturally. No more translating, no more fear, just confident English. Are you ready? Let's start shadowing. Think about this. When was the last time you stayed quiet in a meeting? Someone asked, "Do you have any ideas?" And you just smiled nervously. Or your manager asked, "Can you give us an update?" And you felt afraid to speak. Today, that fear ends. Follow me closely. Repeating practice. 10 essential meeting sentences. Listen and repeat after me. I'd like to share an update. I'd like to share an update. I'd like to share an update. Can I add something? Can I add something? Can I add something? I agree with that point. I agree with that point. I agree with that point. I have a different opinion. I have a different opinion. I have a different opinion. Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Let me explain my idea. Let me explain my idea. Let me explain my idea. That sounds good to me. That sounds good to me. That sounds good to me. Can we review that again? Can we review that again? Can we review that again? Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time. Perfect. These are 10 golden sentences for every meeting. Polite, professional, natural. This is exactly how confident English speakers talk, and you are already sounding more confident. Now, real-life dialogue practice. Now, we'll practice a real meeting conversation. I will speak slowly and clearly. You repeat after me. Story: a team meeting at work. I'll be the manager first. You repeat after me. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining today. Can we start with project updates? Now you are the employee. Repeat after me. Sure, I'd like to share an update. The project is going well. We finished the first part last week. Great. Thank you, Asma. Does anyone have questions? Now, repeat. Can I add something? I have a different opinion. Could you repeat that, please? That sounds good to me. Let's move to the next point. Excellent. You just practiced a complete meeting conversation. Did you notice? All 10 sentences appeared naturally. That's how real meetings flow. Not difficult, not scary, just simple, clear English. Role play time. Now we'll practice 2 rounds. Every meeting has 2 sides, speaker and listener. Round 1. You are the team member. I am the manager. I will pause. You respond out loud. Are you ready? Let's go. Good afternoon, team. Can you give us an update? Thank you. Can you explain that again? Great idea. That sounds good to me. Perfect. Thank you for your time. Now switch roles. You are the manager. I am the team member. Let's begin. Good morning. I'd like to share an update. The project is going well. We finished the first part last week. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Thank you for your help. Amazing. You just handled both sides of a meeting in English. Feel that confidence growing? This is real progress. How to practice after this video. Practice the 10 sentences every day. Repeat them out loud. Use them in real meetings. Shadow the dialogue again and again. Record yourself speaking. Listen and improve. Focus on clear pronunciation, not a perfect accent, just clear communication. Remember, you don't need perfect English, you need confident English. Listen to me carefully. Right now, you might still feel nervous in meetings. You might still hesitate. You might still doubt yourself. But with practice, your confidence will grow. This is not only English practice, this is confidence training. From silent in meetings to speaking clearly. From fear to confidence. From hiding to shining. Every time you repeat these sentences, your brain gets stronger. Soon you won't think, you will just speak. English opportunities are waiting for you. Better jobs, better communication, better confidence. That confident version of you already exists, and I'm here to help you find it. If you enjoyed this lesson, write in the comments, Asma, I'm ready to speak. If you're still nervous, write, I'm nervous, but I'll try. Either way, I will support you. See you in the next lesson with English Triesence.